back, artistic family. Shanna Gibson Art Designs. Really glad you guys are here. Today I am working on a 9x12 back stapled canvas. I am going to be doing a straight pour using neutral metallics minus my silver. So I have my Folk Art 14 karat gold, my Artist Loft copper, which I haven't used in a little while. I've got my go-to Flow Acrylic black, and then my metallic bronze. So let's get layering the cup and get started. So we're going to start off with the black. I'm going to hit that with a tiny bit of gold. I have started to learn my lesson, guys, that the metallics often take over. So using a lot less in the cup, especially the gold and the bronze. I am in love. This is amazing. This is definitely my favorite straight pour to date. I love this, guys. As you can see here, a lot more cells, and I really love how the cells transformed. They look quite a bit different than they did right after, well, just before I started. Not to you guys, but it was probably about 20 minutes before I did the close-up here, and they look much different at the very end of the video. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I got gorgeous sides. Sorry guys, I'm painting at night. You guys can often see the colors a lot better. They're a lot more vibrant, and I get better lighting, but unfortunately you guys get some of the glare. So I do apologize about that, but this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. So many cool effects. I used just enough copper. I'm getting much better at being conscious that when I use gold and copper, not so much bronze, but copper and gold, that I have to just give it a little hit, and that's about it. but I love the black. I really love how that black outlines the colors. I love how vibrant the copper is, the contrast with all of the colors in this design. I love this, guys. I absolutely love it. And if you guys do too, smash that like button, share, please comment so we can talk and engage. And make sure you hit your notification bell, guys, so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We're probably at 800 now. Thank you so much to you guys. I mean, you guys are the artistic family. You're why I'm moving along here, and I so appreciate it. So I'm not going to babble, guys, because I can talk till the cows come home. And I'm just going to say bye to you guys for now, and I'm just going to really admire this. Let me know if you guys do that after pour. I mean, I look at this like a brand new born baby. I really do. And this is one of those ones that I'm just going to stare at in amazement and happiness because I'm so satisfied it turned out gorgeous. All right, fam. Until next time, thank you so much. See you in the next pour. Bye.